Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. In this video we take a deep dive into the world of glass window designs, showcasing the latest trends and timeless styles that can transform your living or working space. Whether you are building a new home, renovating, or just looking for inspiration, this guide will help you explore various options to enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your windows. Glass windows are more than just a source of natural light. They are an essential design element that can significantly impact the look and feel of any room. Modern glass windows designs offer a perfect blend of style, energy efficiency, and practical look. When selecting a glass window design, consider factors like the architectural style of your home, the function of the room, and your personal taste. It's important to balance aesthetics with practicality. For instance, large unobstructed windows are fantastic for views and light but may require additional consideration for privacy and insulation. Energy efficiency is a crucial aspect of modern glass window designs. Opt for double or triple glazed windows to minimize the heat loss and reduce energy costs. Low emissivity glass is another excellent choice as it reflects heat back into the room, keeping it warm in winter and cool in summer. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more home tips and tricks. Up till next time, happy decorating.